is the factory or a machine or any environment monitoring system where you can uh, get a live feed. A camera is responsible to monitor that, and the system is going to give you the spark or any accidental situation is going to happen or not, the abnormal situation. It can be used for monitoring any place. So this is how exactly it looks. So currently it's in safe zone. So this entire zone is safe for that. Now the sunlight is on my hand, so it's detected as an abnormal movement or situation. I'm turning some flash or light or some spark. You see, it's detecting the abnormal situation, and the probability will change. It generates the automatic report plus saves this live recording. We can add on any features upcoming, but this is how the graph will look with the time and the date as you can see on the screen. So some motions editing all this activity. So when there is a one, it means the highest chance of respond to